Good evening, guys. This is Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our analysis. It's Tuesday. What's really happening on the market? It seems like we have some stuff interesting here. We saw, or we can say, oil reversed after breaking out. Gold, it's melting, like seriously melting. And we saw Nasdaq trying to recover here and there. But besides that, we still have economic news that are coming actually. So you can see that tomorrow we're going to have FOMC meeting. This is going to be actually great, obviously. And the other one is going to be CPI, the most important one actually. So on Thursday, we're going to have a CPI. On Friday, we have employment change and PPI from the US. So this is very great. So which means this week is going to be like seriously busy. But from my side, guys, I'm very sorry. I'm not uploading early. I'm not uploading like almost every day. The reason behind that, guys, I'm still struggling with my internet connection. So I thought maybe it was going to be fixed today. So they just gave me like 24 hours to get it done, because at the moment, yeah, I'm actually living in a different place. So it's no longer the same network connection. So now I'm using the like service providers, MTNs, you know, they actually play games. So when you check DXY beside the internet thing, I hope maybe you guys, you have your main been problems. It's not gonna be surprising, because some people, they will be surprised. What's really happening? No, it's problems that we go through. It's not really a bigger of a problem. It's just that we can get delayed here and there. But yeah, we live through that, right? So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So you can see that we started with a dollar index. So what's really happening on dollar index? We can easily see that no, man, the market, it's been going down. But look at this. It seems like the market is starting to bounce back. We can zoom a little bit closer and just to try to see what's really happening from my side. Or maybe let me just make this one a daily time frame, because I think it will be quite clear. So you can see that with this type of break there, it doesn't really change the overall structure. It doesn't really say we are now on an uptrend. No, you can see that yes, since we broke out here, we were actually on a down trend, right? So which means we expect the market to continue going down like that. But once we break out here, you can see this trend was going like that. Once the market breaks out here, it means everything that was happening around this level, it's actually a downtrend. The market might come back around this area, test that level and go lower. The market might bounce around this level. The market might bounce anywhere. So we need to be extra careful. But if maybe the market tried to give us like a proper structures that we were going to connect, that was going to be also a very nice breakout. Like now, we can say, okay, we had this proper resistance. Everyone, yeah, I hope you can see that. So this is a breakout, but where will this find the next resistance? We are not really sure. That's the problem. So maybe now we can say, since we have this breakout, why are we not waiting for maybe a retest that shows us that now the market is going on an uptrend? Or maybe let's wait for the market to create a sort of a resistance that we can use, because now with this breakout coming from this downtrend, we can conclude and say now we are on an uptrend, while we are still below the area where the market actually broke out. We can say below the zone where the market broke out. So this might be a trap for those who don't really know. Plus tomorrow we have a FOMC meeting. So that meeting might change whatever that we see here. You see. So I hope maybe you understand this in a good way. So let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, you can see that the market is still actually on a very proper uptrend. and we have this area of a support, and it seems like the market is struggling around this level. So I'm expecting to see a nice reversal there. We already have a buy pending order, which means I'm still expecting to see a proper bounce to the upside. Do you see that? As we are already on this nice uptrend, so the market might continue like that. But don't throw that line. I'm just saying that the market might respect this area, then we can go up around this level. Obviously, you can see that there is a potential, or even actually a resistance that we can use. Maybe the market will respect that, or maybe the market will break out of that. It's up to the market. But at the moment, you can see that our structure is telling us now it's a proper time for us to look for that buy position, or maybe let's say buy pending order. Once the market reverses, we will actually have that nice buy waiting to jump on that. So now you can see that gold, it's reversing. It's reversing. What's really happening is the tensions in the Middle East cooling off. Guys, I'm like behind, so I'll need to this week. I'll just use this week to catch up, guys, because like I'm like way behind. I can't watch the news non-stop, so I'm trying to catch up here and there. But seems like things are cooling off here and there, or maybe some people, or let's say investors, are taking some of their profits. So which means we're gonna have to see a cool off. So the question is, where will the market find that support? So is this area or that area or this diagonal support? So it's up to the market. At the moment, we don't really know where the market is gonna stop. You can see that since the market touched this level, we never had any proper reversal. So it means anyway, anything is possible at the moment for the market to find that area that we can call a nice support area. So we just have to wait. It's possible that the market can reach this level and bounce back. We'll have to monitor that because we are still on that nice uptrend. It's possible for the market to reverse up to this point. Why? We are still on that nice uptrend. So which means we are still we still believe that the market will actually continue going up, but along the way the market has to reverse. I hope that makes sense. So if that makes sense, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's push to the next one. This is actually US30. US30 has been playing around the same level for quite some time now. Just look this, it's daily time frame. Just look, how many days do we have here? You can see that these days are just playing around. The market is just consolidating. We call that consolidation structure. So you can see that this might be because we are on a very stronger resistant area. Maybe the market will end up reversing, but with the fundamentals that we see, I still believe that maybe we might break out of that. If we don't really break out of that structure, it's fine. We will just have to wait for the market to break this support area, or maybe even this one, before we say, you know what, now it's time for the market to melt. But at the moment, we are still on this nice uptrend. We still expect to see that continuation. But with this type of a structure, I think a breakout is welcomed, which I think it might happen, or maybe we will have a meltdown. It's up to the market. So for those who wants to be part of the team, guys, you can just WhatsApp me or scan that QR code. Then you can talk to me. Which subscription do you want there? Lifetime $99 and 6 months for $59. Let me know if you want to be part of the team, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So now we are on Nasdaq, my favorite, Nasdaq 100. What's really happening on Nasdaq 100? We can easily see that the market is actually going a little bit up. The market is going higher. We can see that we're no longer on these other structures. I think maybe it's a good time for me to now clear some of these, because the market is starting to take shape. So now we can easily say the market is on this nice uptrend. I've been talking about this, that we are on a downtrend, but slowly the market was starting to show us that. You see that? So the market is playing around this support area, but mostly once the market touches this level, we see the market bouncing back. So this is what we expected. So yeah, I'm still expecting maybe to see, you can see on top there we had something like that. You can also mark that, or some maybe they can say we see something like that. It's also correct, guys. It's also correct. So maybe the market might just play around, but at the end of the day, this is what we have. I think the market will end up continuing with that nice uptrend structure. CPI, it's coming after tomorrow, so we'll see what we'll have actually, because things might change, but we're expecting to see lower CPI, which means we might see higher numbers. But NFP surprised, that might actually also have an effect on CPI, and that will make the dollar to be quite stronger, and that won't be very bad, but it's not going to be that nice for the stock markets. But at the moment, because we don't really want the dollar to crash, I think anything which is going to be positive, it's actually good. You see, so now we expect to see the market continuing with this uptrend. I think we need to mark this area. I missed this one, guys, unfortunately. I missed this one there. You can see we are on the resistance structure. So if maybe the market breaks out, you can say, you know what, I will take a very proper buy above this area. If you missed it around that support area, so you can just have another one above that resistance. I think the market will try to continue to move to the upside. So I will be marking that. I will be on that. So I will see what will happen after. So now what's really happening? So you can see that US oil, it went up actually. I think around this level, I think around this level, we had a nice buy pending order. We smashed this. Now it went lower. Oh, let me just start afresh. Sorry. Seems like I'm happy about this or whatever that is happening. So you can see that the structure, the overall structure, it was on a very nice uptrend. We had a very nice breakout. The market pushed up. We did smash something there. And now the market seems to be coming back to give us a proper retest there. Do you see that? And fortunately, we have a proper we have a proper buy pending order ready. The market reversed around this level. So once the market pushes up, we will be ready to jump on that, you see. So I'm expecting to see a very proper buy around this level. Why? Because we were on a very nice downtrend structure and the market changed that. We're no longer on that. So we expect to see the market continuing with this nice bullish structure. So guys, for my people in the mentorship group, I'm still very sorry. I received my orders, like my package for routers and stuff. So, but the problem is they say the router will activate within 24 hours. So now I'm still waiting. But if anything changes, I will just update it, which means our mentorship might actually resume from tomorrow. But not really that bad, but it's fine because they've been delaying us for quite some time now. So anyways, guys, thank you very much. For those who want to be part of the team, just let me know. If you want some discounts also, just let me know. Talk to me, then we can take it from there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.